Tired of a cluttered Pipedrive reports list? Learn how to permanently delete any report in seconds. I will show you exactly where to click, from opening Insights to confirming deletion. Follow along. So let us start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Go ahead and open that up. This is the home base for everything we are about to do, so make sure you are signed in and ready to go. Now, from the left sidebar, locate and click Insights. If you have a lot of items in that sidebar, do not worry. Insights is usually right around the middle, and it is where all of your reporting lives. Click it once, and you will see your full list of reports. Find the report you want to delete and open it. I know your list might be a little crowded right now, and that is exactly why we are here. Just click on the report name to open it up. You do not need to worry about editing or changing anything yet. We are just getting to the right screen. Once the report is open, look in the top right corner. You will see 3 little dots. That is the More button. Click that. And here is the thing. This button is your gateway to everything you can do with that specific report, including deleting it. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Delete. It is usually near the bottom of that list, so scroll down if you need to. Go ahead and click it. Now, a confirmation prompt appears. This is Pipedrive asking, "Are you sure?" So click to confirm. It will usually say something like Delete Report, and there might be a second button that says Cancel. You want to click the one that confirms Yes, deleted. This is the point of no return, so if you are absolutely sure, go ahead and click that confirmation. The report is permanently removed. Wait a moment. It might take a second or two to process, especially if the report was large or had a lot of data behind it. Just give it a moment. You will usually see a small loading indicator or a brief flash on the screen. Now, check your reports list to ensure it is gone. Head back to that main Insights page. Scroll through your list. That report you just deleted should no longer be there. If it is still showing up, try refreshing your browser or giving it another few seconds. In my experience, it almost always disappears instantly once the confirmation goes through. If you have other reports you want to clean up, repeat these steps for each one. Go back to the list, find the next report, open it, click the 3 dots, select Delete, confirm, and check. It becomes a rhythm really quickly, and you will be done before you know it. And that is all there is to it. From a cluttered, confusing reports list to a clean, organized workspace with only the reports you actually need. You have just taken control of your Pipedrive environment, and it feels good. Thanks for following along, and happy selling.